What's up, everyone? This is your boy DC. This morning I'm going to be filling in some holes in the slab right here. So I'm just giving you a picture of some of the holes I'll be filling in. There's another one over here. I got one that I already filled in earlier today over here. Let's see. Just waiting for that one to set up. Come back and get that one. Here's my tools right here. Wheelbarrow. But anyway, we are walking the building where I'm patching the holes in today. And I think there's another one right here. So first thing I'll be doing is digging all the debris out, and then I'll be getting a blower, making sure they're nice and clean, and then I'll be mixing the mud and show you how to float that in.